Over here. Look, the cow's over here.
What's that in there? You got some of them at the ranch. What is that in there?
I don't know.
That's not goats, is it?
No.
That's goats. Right in there, that's goats.
Let's come here.
Look at